everybody. I'm at a different river today and I'm going snorkeling. I got my metal detector, so let's see what we can find. This is the spot, swimming hole, so we'll see what's out here.
Hey everyone, this is actually the first video I made down at the John Day River. It was the middle of August, and I knew with all the hot days and warm nights that the water would be warm, and it was pretty warm. I snorkeled around for about an hour and a half to 2 hours.
Well, I dug and I dug and I dug and I found this thing. So nothing good, just a piece of metal. I don't know what kind of metal. It had all kinds of signals, but let's keep looking. Oh, and didn't you love those crawdads that I dug out and the fish got them? That's iron. That's a bunch of iron signals. Probably nothing. It's kind of deep right there.
Ooh, there's a big crawdad. I'm going to try to catch it and see if the fish like it. Those bass sure don't want anything to do with those big crawdad claws. And here's another big guy.
Okay, I just found this lure. I wonder if we can catch a bass with this. Let's check.
The bass weren't interested.
Well, it's clouding up, so I'm going to head home now. Might be thunderstorms today. So, didn't find much, but I had fun snorkeling. Yeah! Snorkel time in the John Day River. Woohoo!
Join me in these other metal detecting videos coming up, and please subscribe if you haven't yet. And don't forget to smash that like button. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.